back again with the one and only Dyan'van ripping or class. If you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you to everyone who watched the big Xhosa video of Amasene. We currently over 500 views in 6 days. You guys are doing the most, so I'm really grateful for that. Tell your friends, family, and slime to please subscribe, because now we're on the initiative of road to 1K subscribers in 1 year. So it's a bit ambitious, but hey, we'll see. We'll get this shit monetized, man. But yeah, today is a different day, a different video. We're in it again with Xhosa. The name of the song is Ikuku. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. She gives me cuckoo. I make that cuckoo. I make that cuckoo. From the jump, asses were shaking from the. Look at this. Because it has a spanner, it will spanner. What the hell? And phone over. Hey, the squirting. How long is this video? 1 minute. In 10 seconds, I've seen it. I've seen it all, man. Yo. She got that rap. She knows my name, but I can't be the poop. She got that rap. She knows my name, but I can't be the poop. I make that cuckoo. I make that cuckoo. And back shots. I make that cuckoo. He makes that cuckoo. He makes that cuckoo. Back shots. It's them back shots, man. And he's eating ass in this video. Like this crampy, this squid. A lot of shit is happening. Good thing this channel is not for kids. But hey, man. Hazardous, pornographic, don't. Make sure your kids and young sisters and brothers don't watch this. Let's get back. Big Xhosa. I make that cuckoo. Baby man. Yeah, Tana man. And fully Tana man. Okay. Yeah, Tana man. It's tough for sake. 666. Sivuta be. 666. Sivuta be. 2 burner. Nothing is as hot as a 2 burner. Screw those built-in stoves. 2 burner. That's where the heat's at. 666. She gives me quick. Sivuta be. I know it's not fair for single people. What is tough for single people? Sivuta be. She gives me quick. I make that so good. Big Xhosa's bragger game on fleek. It's not single people. It's not fair for you guys. Let's do Big Xhosa. Sivuta be. It's just not fair. It doesn't sit well with them. Hey, man. I make that cuckoo. She got that rap. Get torn and it go. She knows my name, but I can't be the poop. She got that rap. Get torn and it go. She knows my name, but I can't be the poop. I make that cuckoo. I make that cuckoo. I make that cuckoo. I make that cuckoo. Guys, I don't know. If you've never heard the reference of I'm about to lay the pipe. Now there's a leak because of all the plumbing it's been doing. Now you got the spanner to fix that problem. You know what I'm talking about. Get on the program. Facts. Let them talk. Best rappers. Big Xhosa with Ikuku. Did I expect any less? Yeah, I kinda didn't expect this though. But Eban, he went in. The video went in from the jump. Unfiltered. That was Big Xhosa with Ikuku. Thank you, everyone. Please subscribe to the channel. Please tell your friends, family, and stuff to please subscribe. They did say the revolution was not going to be televised, but for your sake, it's getting YouTubed.